Okay, we're going to create a simple door block. And the first thing we need to do is make sure that our layer is on layer 0. And we're going to draw a line. And it's just going to be 1 inch. So just draw a 1-inch line. And then we're going to draw an arc to match. So I'm going to specify the center part of the arc, go up to the top of the arc to create the swing. So here we have the door slab and the swing, and we're going to insert a attribute. But first we're going to change the layer to a tag. So I'm going to go to tag door, and I'm going to insert define attribute, and that is going to be door tag, and we're just going to use door size as the prompt, and the default we're going to say it's 2668. The mode is going to be visible, so don't check invisible. We don't have to verify. It's not going to be a preset. We're going to specify on screen where it is, or we're actually going to define that. We're going to make it center, AR. I'm going to make it annotative, so whatever scale the drawing is at, it will update automatically. The text height will always be an 1/8 inch in paper space as it prints. I'm going to say OK. Oh, rotation I'm going to change to 90. And OK, we will insert. Move this up right there. OK. So now we're going to create a block. We're going to pick the insertion point. It's right there on the corner. We want it deleted from the object. We're going to select the objects, and we're going to tell it what the file is. Right now there's already a file in there. I'm going to go ahead and rewrite it, and we're going to say OK. Yes, we're going to replace it. Okay, so now that is in there. So now I'm going to insert it. So I'm going to go to insert, and I'm going to go to that file. We're going to specify on screen where it goes, the scale. I want it uniformly set, and we're going to give it 36 inches. Remember, we drew this at 1 inch, so when we scale it up to 36 inches, it will be a 3/0 door. Rotation, I'm going to specify on screen, and I'm going to say OK. And there's my block. I'm going to put it right there. Pick the rotation angle. And it's asking for the door size. The default, remember, was 2668. So we're going to change that to 3068 and enter. And there's my door. And if we look at that in the properties, the scale is 36, the door tag is 3068. I can mirror this, copy it, do all kinds of things. Here it is again. If I click on the properties, notice that the scale is -36. What happens if I change that? Look what happened. So I'm going to put the negative marker in there, but I'm going to change that to 30 inches, and I'm going to change the door tag to 2668. Now I have a smaller door, right? it's 30 inches. I have a 36-inch door and a 30-inch door. So I could cut the wall out and do what I need to make that wall right if I wanted a door here. I could also mirror this again. Notice that my text reads in the right orientation. What happens if I change that to a negative? It flips the orientation. So there you have it. A simple door with a simple annotation, and we could add as many annotations as we want, and I'll show you that in the next video.